Baby dolls, have you seen the news? Bitcoin is at $71,000. That is, of course, in the American currency right now. Also, have you seen this? Shout out to my friend Somi. This is absolutely cranker. We are breaking the backs of the bears. You see that, friends? Your back, your jaw, everything. Have you ever seen elbows as sharp as this? Northern, southern, eastern, and western hemisphere on Earth. Bang! They've never seen anything like this, friends. We are watching the pain of the bears right now. The people who are sidelined every moment of this day, friends. Every hour that ticks by, these people, these poopy heads, can even call them people, they're poopy heads. They are waiting. Please, release the FUD, friends. Bitcoin is at 71,000 American dollars. Look at that. It is cranking right now. This is the 4-hour chart as well. 4, 5, 6, 8 hour. We can see it right now. Look, it's coming back to the top of the range. Friends, also, if you remember the fractal of doom before, there is some sort of like, we got to come back and test it before we go up. But hey, we'll take anything at this point. It's kind of funny how all of it's playing out. I got to remind you, friends, just to remind you, a lot of people, including my friend Tom, Mr. Tom, shout out to Mr. Tom for our Telegram. Look, it's all repeating, man. Everything is repeating. Now, at first, we thought it was spooky. It is spooky, but it relates to the liquidity injection cycle from the world governments. It relates to their cycle. The world died in 2008. The patient was on the hospital bed. They gave him Viagra. He got a boner. And they're like, oh my gosh, you're more dead than we ever thought, but you got some life left in you left. Okay, you got some life remaining. So what ended up happening is they ended up canceling the debts in another way. They end up doing this roundabout way. They go, okay, if we all have to pay this debt, the world's pretty much not just dead. This guy's bonus gone too. It's all gone. So what they did was they moved money in different accounts and they go, okay, let's repay off this debt every 3 to 4 years. So what they do is, friends, they print, inject liquidity, Keynesian style, and then there is a period of paying it back off for these 2 years. That's what we have, the 4-year cycle. That's what ends up happening. That's why we are moving with the stock market, because we're all linked to the money printer. That's why all the charts, they correlate together, friends. That's why Bitcoin, NASDAQ, everything moves line in line with them. And you can actually see the chart right here. Look at this, friends. This is Bitcoin with, this is the, what is this, friends? You can actually see it right here. There you go. So it's stock. This is the S&P 500 in the blue. You see that, friends? You see these things? Look at these things happening together. You see them exactly moving like, look at this. I just want to move these out so you can have an appreciation. They move exactly in line, friends. Exactly. Explain that for me. How does that happen? You explain that. Explain what's going on here. Well, now you know, friends. So is it the, look at this, isn't that crazy? This is Bitcoin ETF. Then why is NASDAQ going up with it? Why are they going like literally exactly in line together? What is Bitcoin ETF up here? Well, it's the liquidity cycle. Now, the spooky part, there's always spooky parts. The spooky part is, why is it that when the liquidity gets injected from the Keynesian governments and everyone else out there in the world, everyone's a Keynesian pretty much, okay? Why is it when the green candles appear, the good news appear at the top? How come that happens? Why isn't they are literally dropping the liquidity and there's good news on the way down? I don't know. We don't know. It's all linked. I don't know, man. No one knows. Just this is what happens, friends. Is it correlation? Is causation chicken and egg problem? Is it they only do these because the market comes up? That's also one possibility. But what we've also found is random good news, seemingly random, appears at these top parts. They don't appear on these bottoms. Nuts. Now, friends, I want you to see the stock market chart right now. This is, what the hell is this? This is actually went back and broke the high. This is crazy. This is pretty much, friends. Remember, I drew this rectangle box at the beginning of the year, and I'm like, look, man, if the stock market, if we go down here, then it's going to be game over. Remember, I drew that scenario, but good, man, it's all right. You see, we draw them just in case they happen, so we don't freak out if it appears down there, because we know, man, friends, in markets, friends, trust me, you look at the chart, like, easy, but you live every minute of the day when the news comes out, and it feels like, it's so hard, it's the end of the world. It really does feel like that every day. And if our job is here to be breathing with the market inside and outside, breathing in and breathing out, you need to be one with the market. You got to get this right, man. We don't get this right, we lose, and we're here to win. And we all know, friends, a healthy stock market is pretty much, that's go time for crypto. That really, really, really is go time for crypto. But, okay, let's bring it back to reality a bit. See, friends, this is a bit nuts, okay? If we look at the altcoin dominance, this altcoin others index, right? We're still in healthy zones. We're not doing anything major. The 4-year cycle, friends, we're due to basically get the altcoin rush at the end of the year. By the way, this is altcoins rushing. So Bitcoin could be like roaring 100 to 150K zone if it wanted to at the end of this year. It could be doing that. And that could be like dragging this thing down and then eventually we go up. That's what could happen. And like, yeah, we know from the liquidity cycle, all of us seems to be playing its part now. Obviously, nothing really starts until this Bitcoin dominance goes down, friends. Because, you know, Ethereum, like, it's kind of telling you, man, Ethereum, positive cash flow, you're deflationary, you change the monetary policy so you can cheat and be up only against Bitcoin. And it's still pretty much showing you. But we're all a part of the risk curve, friends. We're all a part of the cycle. Also, please, just remember this before it gets too late. Just please know, friends, there's no bear market hedge in crypto, all right? There's none. Once they pull liquidity, it's over. Why? Because when they pull liquidity, they remove your dreams and they remove your confidence to stay long. When we talk about, friends, like lovely meme coins and altcoins and everything, they're all in the same park. We're all meme coins pretty much, okay? Look at official Landwolf, by the way. Official Landwolf. Shout out to the baby dolls. The dev is cooking. The dev is cooking. It's basically a giant emoji. The dev's still cooking, friends. Charlie's still cooking. Also, we got this market cap. It's at 22 million. I would love to see this at $1 billion, man. Can you please crank it up, friends? Can we please crank it up? Look at this. Friends, you know, every time we're walking up, all these red candles are just Jeets. There's a Jeet clip getting out. We need to hit this critical moment of 30 million. Look, I personally, I don't see any problem with a 1 billion valuation. I don't see another 50x to go. Why? Just because I'm playing for the ribbiting world and the trumpeting world where Pepe is like 30, 40, 50 billion. So like if Pepe is 20 billion and Landwolf hits 5% of that, you get your 1 billion 50x from here. Okay. If Pepe hits 40 billion, then that's 100x. For Landwolf today. That's the type of stuff that gets unlocked. And remember, in a bull market, friends, this happens in the stock market or valuations. When everybody is like not in fight or flight mode and everybody's just cool. That's why governments do this, by the way, friends. I know we give a lot of shit to the governments and the money printing and stuff, but they do this for a reason, friends, because society, we all are like nicer and calmer when your depression doesn't last for 15 years in an economy to rinse everybody out. You see what I mean? It's nicer when you have like these controlled cycles of like, okay, we have like, you know, a couple of years up and then like a reset year. And then, okay, we continue again. That's what they pretty much try to do. However, there are these bottleneck moments where the government can't predict or like it's all pre-programmed stuff and then literally just something explodes at the back end like an exhaust engine of a car. Bang, 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 just backfiring. That's where you have things that come and explode. And the solution's always more money printing, okay? So never forget that. Landwolf, though, printing money. Talk about Ethereum printing money, friends. You see that, Landwolf? So remember, it's playing for the Pepe, playing for the ribbiting, playing for Donald Trump. It's all the same thing. We also have DickWifButt as well, grinding up. Also, you want to look at the real chart, which is the pulse ratio chart. I mean, like, check this out. Look at you. So you can see all these strength fans coming in here, all against different speeds. But most importantly, okay, this is the total crypto market cap. It's total 3, all right? It's removing Bitcoin Ethereum. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you. Friends, up here, there are 3 levels here, okay? This is bearish, this is bullish, and this is like super bull. I'm not even joking, okay? Just to let you know, okay, just so you're aware of. Look, man, top 100 ranked coins. So if your coin has 1 billion market cap or more, and I have the chart up here, right? If your coin, let's see, look, friends, there's 100 coins here, okay? 100 coins, you know, around $1 billion for the smallest one, okay? 100 coins. Now, I'm speaking to everybody out there in the world. So look, man, only about 5 to 10% are gonna make it with like life-changing returns from today. And life-changing. Well, that's like more than another 7x from today. In those, that's 5 to 10%. Of those coins I scrolled through, all of them, the top 100 coins. That's just the unfortunate nature of it. And we go back to this chart, you get to see from today, friends, this is the total, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Look, to the bull case, friends, it's only a 6x, man. Yeah, that's it, to the bull case. By the way, what's a bull case? The bull case is You did not do any diminishing returns from the top here. Look at this. This is a 3.3x to the top. You're actually, wow. This bull case, you didn't diminish at all. You accelerated your gain, breaking the all-time high. So that just showing you the reality. If that makes you upset, well, it shouldn't really, because friends, we're here hunting low-cap altcoin gems. We're doing our groundwork research. Remember, this is a billion market cap plus. So look, there are the 10% of people, they're going to be in these billion-dollar coins that end up giving them like the 25, the 35, the 40x. And of course, I'll get asked every single day, what's it going to be? What's it going to be? I got no idea. I can just tell you, I know PulseChain, PulseX, and Hex are deep value contrarian. I know that. I just don't know how far they can swing it around. I just know that the odds of them swinging it around like a slingshot are high when they eventually do turn the ship around. But I just don't know how high it could go. I'm not going to take my chances on like thinking that, okay, it's definitely going to give a 50x or 100x, okay? Because those people obviously keep getting it wrong. What we do instead, we look for undervalued, strong communities, strong memes. We can tie in these theses, the trumpeting. You have Pepe, you have Landwolf, which is Pepe's best friend. These are the things you really want to be focusing on. This index, friends, remember, it's 700 billion today. It going to 3 to 4 trillion is monstrous, by the way. You know, meme coins, friends. Meme coins are about 10% of this index today. So meme coins are like 60 to 70 billion, around there, all right, in size, 50 to 70-ish. So if we go up, friends, even to the medium case of 3 trillion, that means meme coins are literally 300 million in size. All the meme coins. That, friends, that is 300. So that's 300 billion. 300 billion with a B. Oh my gosh. What that means, that means there's a lot of coins that have hit 1 billion, 1 billion, 1 billion, 500 million, 700 million, 800 million. That's a lot. A lot, man. That'd be crazy if that happens. That's why you want to be, think about this, friends. If there's a distribution of all the meme coins, and we can actually see where the meme sector is. So what I love to do is, friends, if you go to CoinGecko, just type in meme, not with an S, just meme, and you can see, so the sector's 60 billion right now. Look where most of the valuation has gone to, though, friends. It's Doge and it's SHIB. Okay, Doge and SHIB. Pepe and DickWifButt are here. So Pepe's at 4.6. It's beautiful. DickWifButt's still bleeding. Okay, you can see Floki, Bonk, Book a Meme. Everyone else is out here. You see these friends, Joe Biden coin. You see the Trump coin, 386 million. You can see a lot of these friends. It doesn't take a genius to figure out. Like, if we even took, I wonder if they have. Oh, we have Ticker Bitcoin here, 120 million. There you go, 120 million. So I don't think it's wild to think that a lot of these will hit 1 billion. I mean, like, if we're going to go to 300 billion for memes, and you know, what about the other tech stuff? Yeah, in that composition of that index, there's going to be new tech things. So here's the thing, friends, to put it bluntly, with new coins, if there's a new meme coin, there's a very high chance you and me can get in early. There's a very high chance, because they're usually fair launch, community, fun. They have price volatility dips. They're cheap. You can get them. If we're looking for the new tech, they're not letting us in, man. There's too many VCs. I've made so many videos, friends. You're going to keep watching my videos of the VC insider scam. These people, friends, they're poopy heads. They keep pooping on us. They're doing illegal OTC background selling at minus 80% below the current price just to run out the door. It's just full on grifting. So, look, if you gave me, obviously, a $100 million meme coin and a $100 million like innovative layer 2 tech, all these things, yes, I'll take the tech all day. Of course I would. So would you. The problem is they don't give you the tech for 100 million market cap. All right. They open it at 2.5 billion with a B. 25x higher than what it is. Like, that's your whole win. That's your whole cycle, man. 25x. That's huge, friends. Imagine you put just 1 month into that. You get like 2 years of a win off that. 1 month becomes 25 months of income. You know what I mean? See, that's crazy. They take that away from you. That's why they want you to buy into that so they can dump on you, okay? So these are the meme coins, friends. That's why as we're watching the bears and their backs be broken, this is the type of positive stuff we're going to probably keep seeing. And we can see these meme coins and everything come out. Of course, friends, the tech is amazing. We love the tech. Give it to us cheap, man. Give it to us cheap. You guys are starting it. None of these tech earn their prices, by the way. They did not earn their prices. Every meme coin you see that went up, Landwolf, DickWifButt, HOA, PDI, they all earned it. You can't look at any one of those meme coins and say, man, you didn't earn that valuation. Man, they all did. They all fought for it. We're all still fighting for it. That's the ultimate difference when it comes to this, ultimately at the end of the day, okay? We need this Ethereum price, please, friends. You're probably wondering, when do I take profit and everything as well? I think it's racist, transphobic, bigoted, and every other ist word. Anti-feminist, anti-maleist. If you are jeeting bags when Ethereum is like under $6,000, pretty much. So this is basically, friends, if I draw this box here, if I highlight this box, this is the no G zone. No G, okay? You're not allowed to G this zone. That's it. I don't care who you are, what it is, dude. Yes, Ethereum might have a third cycle curse. Yes, we might get the mother of all bear markets. Maybe, but look, you don't know that yet. You don't know that yet. Right now, Coinbase App Store ranking is 300. Nowhere near close to top 10. Tai Lopez hasn't launched a coin. I'm still getting spat on for meme coins. Everyone's getting upset for everything. Okay, sweet. I like it. That means higher. That literally means higher. Okay? You know what else is high, though? The price of our friendship. Some would say it has no resistance, friends. You know why? Because there is no absolute end point for our friendship here. We're still going to make it. We're still holding this pre-programmed news coming and appearing. I still believe, I'm confident that one day when it's getting dangerous, it'll just be slapping us in the face. I feel that. It'll be slapping us in the face. Like just the entitlement, the greed, people taking their pants off. Maybe even the top on me fence. Maybe literally someone just messages me, hey man, here's a hotel room. I need you to bang my missus in front of me. I'm into that. I'm like, you know what? I got to make some portfolio changes. So make sure you like, subscribe, belly button, or catch you soon.